so mad right now. What the fuck? Oh, Lewandowski! No way! Yes! Oh my god! I'm not even trolling! My cock look is OP! No way! Holy shit! Oh my god! What no, I'm reviewing first! Oh shit, the bed!
Team of the season, Lallana. And it's gonna get us. Not a Robbie, not a Rice. It's not great, but it's a team of the season Mandzukic. I can feel like I feel. Lewandowski! Ah! 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 No! No, David boys! Oh! We did it! Celebrate with me, sweet princess! Oh, we've done it! We've done it! We've done it! Celebrate! Look! 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 We did it! We did it, my sweet prince! Where's David Moyes?
35k packs. Oh! Oh! Team of the season! 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 Oh. Start crying! Thought I had fucked myself, saying that I would open packs until we pulled a blue card. Oh my god. Team of the season, or someone, that would be nice! Oh my days, 700 FIFA points for one of these packs is just stupid. Come on! Pay your time, and we get... Oh my